Hi guys, let's make a no-bake chocolate mousse cake. The summer heat means that no one wants to turn on their oven, which is why I love no-bake desserts. They require minimal effort and taste amazing. So to start, you want to crush 10 Oreo cookies, including their creams. Crush them until they're fine crumbs. And to that, you're going to add 1/8 of a cup of melted butter, and you're going to mix that until it is the consistency of wet sand. This recipe serves around 6 people and can be customized easily. You can add Oreos to the fillings, or you can change things up flavor-wise. Press this mixture into a 6-inch spring-form pan. I lined the bottom of the pan with parchment and just grease the edges and the sides with butter. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you like what you see, please take the time to give this video a big thumbs up, leaving a comment down below and letting us know what you would like to see next. If you haven't done so already, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now you just want to pop this into the fridge while we get on with the filling. So for the filling, you're going to need 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. I prefer to use semi-sweet instead of dark chocolate, which means you may have to add a little bit of sugar to it, or milk chocolate, which ends up being too sweet. So semi-sweet chocolate works perfectly. You just want to melt this in the microwave at 30-second bursts, mix until smooth and set it aside to cool slightly. In the meantime, you're going to beat some cream. But before I started this recipe, I placed the bowl and the beaters in the freezer because it's so hot. The cream was also in the fridge for a few hours, so everything was super chilled. Beat 300 milliliters of double cream. You want to beat it until stiff peaks. Add the melted chocolate and beat them together until smooth. At this point, you can add some flavorings like mint extract or even some orange zest. Scrape down the edges and mix it through again. Make sure you get to all the mixture at the bottom. Chocolate is heavier, so it tends to sink to the bottom of the bowl. Use your spatula to make sure that you get to all that really good chocolate and mix it through until smooth. I know you're all like me and will be tempted to lick the bowl clean. Go ahead, no judgment, you know you want to. I didn't get to because I had 2 hungry boys waiting to do that for me, and they licked the bowl clean, so trust me, it's that good. The mousse looks so delicious, light and airy. It's the perfect consistency. Pour the mousse over the base and level it off with an offset spatula. Make sure it's completely smooth on the top. Chill this for around 8 hours or even overnight. This is the perfect make-ahead dessert. I love this recipe for dinner parties because it looks super elegant and delicious. Your friends are going to fall in love with this dessert and with you too. Once the chocolate mousse cake is set, remove it from the pan and neaten up the edges. And let's get on with the chocolate ganache. You will need 1/8 of a cup of double cream, and to that you're going to add 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. This will give us a thick and luscious ganache. Melt them together in the microwave at 10-second bursts and mix until smooth. If you don't have a microwave or prefer not to use one, heat the cream on the stove until it simmers, but do not let it boil. Remove it from the heat and add the chocolate chips. Allow it to sit for 5 minutes and then mix it through until smooth. Pour the ganache over the chilled chocolate mousse cake. Allow the chocolate to drip over the edges, and if needed, use an offset spatula just to give it a little help over the edge. Chill the cake in the fridge until you're ready to serve it. Slice and serve. Keep any remainders in the fridge for up to 3 days. You can freeze this cake, but why would you? Because, you're going to finish it all in one go, right? Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's super easy and super yum. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Much love. Bye.